Hey guys, and welcome to the video. I've created this segment called WTF, What the Finance, as a way to help build everyone's financial literacy. I feel like it's a really good skill to have when getting into just your own experience through life, or your own journey in life, should I say, to learn a little bit more about finances. And especially if you're starting out wanting to get into investing, there's lots of key definitions or key technical terms that would be very important to understand to help give you and conceptualize what it is that you're getting into when you're talking about investing. So this segment is all about trying to build on that financial literacy and give you the best tools in your toolbox to be able to tackle any situation. Today's first video is going to be on market capitalization, or market cap. Now, all the information in this video is available on investopedia.com, which is a super great site to help you understand terminology, and hopefully I can just elaborate on them and help bring them down to a really basic perspective on what all of these key definitions are, and then you can go ahead and do the research yourself if you want to try and get into the weeds when it comes to some of these topics. So market cap, it's the total dollar market value of a company's outstanding shares of a stock. It's calculated by multiplying the total number of companies' outstanding shares by the market price of each share. Outstanding shares are how many shares the company has released for purchase. An example, a company with 10 million shares that sell for $100 each would have a market cap of $1 billion. This gives investors a figure to determine a company's size. So there's three main types of sizes of companies that are divided up into market caps. Large cap, which is $10 billion or more size companies. Mid cap, which is $2 billion to $10 billion. And then small cap, which is $300 million to $2 billion. So just a quick video, you guys, to help you understand some of these financial terms. Market cap has been our first episode of What the Finance. Tune in for the next one, guys. I hope you have a great day. Talk to you in the next video.